Hello everyone. On this video I'm gonna show how to fix your AI robot on VPS and how to upload the parameters like for a founded account. Now we're gonna try to first buy the VPS. Uh, to buy a VPS, you can join the website. Like it's the best website for VPS for trader, and it's like the cheap one. I use it for a long time now. So after you go to the link below, you're gonna find it on the description. You're gonna go to VPS pricing like that, and you're gonna go to the pack stars like that thing, and you're gonna choose Windows VPS. It's better to buy like a package for 3 months to don't have a problem about the suspending your service. It's better than take 1 month. Uh, with my experience using the company, when like you have only 1 month, sometimes when you finish your 1 month subscription, they suspend your IP and they give you another IP. So there is better to take 3 months, and they're gonna send you like before 10 days to pay again, and gonna stay the same IP. You can choose the country here. So personally, I choose France or Spain, no matter. So all the parameter, you not touch anything. You can change like the version of Windows, but I suggest to work with this one. Is working good, and you can open more than 2 account or 3 account on this version without any bug, not any problem. So after that, when you pay, they're gonna send you on email the address, the IP address, and the password and administrator. So now let me go to the VPS to show you how I can install MetaTrader 5 or 4. No matter, it's the same thing. But on this video, you know, we work with the TNG AI, the robot who passed the founded account. Like I talked on Telegram, we just make a few updating about the robot uh, to customize about the stop losses, the indicator. So the performance is better than before. So if you are like interested with the robot, you can check our website below or join Telegram, talking with us private if you need more information. So now let's go to install the MetaTrader 5. So now I'm gonna use this demo account founded next to only to show how to install the MetaTrader 5 and open our account and fix our robot on the MetaTrader 5. Before that, we go download founded next MT5. Then we go here, MT5, download. Let me see here. It's processing. After that, we're gonna go open the VPS. I'm gonna show here the picture of the VPS, how we receive it on the email. Like I'm gonna show I'm gonna show the picture of the email I received it from his hostinger. So this is how look our VPS. To open your VPS on your computer, you go to a remote desktop program on your computer. You don't need to download it or something. There is per default is on your computer, so you just open it, put your address, IP, and your password, and the window gonna show like that. Now we're gonna pass our MetaTrader 5, like the MetaTrader 5 from Founded Next, we download it. You can download any MetaTrader 5, no matter, you can use broker MetaTrader 5 or another company, now we only take example with the founded next MT5. So after that, we're gonna install like we use our computer. So I gonna stop the video waiting the MT5 finish download. After I installed MT5 on the VPS, how is that look? So we're gonna open our VPS, our founded next story account. So we go to our Gmail. We have founded next server. Okay, and we paste it here. The password to server 3. Like we see here, our MT5 demo account is open already. Now we're gonna go to drop the robot. Like we see here is the last version of the robot. This is the robot. Like we know, the robot can work like on 7 or 8 pairs. GBP, OD, OD, Gold, USDK, or USD, or USD. So this is the last version. We're gonna drop it on MT5. Gonna do like that. Copy, and we go to founded next. We go to file, open data folder, MQL5, expert, advisor, and we paste here like we see here. That is our robot. Now we're gonna go here, expert, advisor. Now we don't see nothing, but when we're gonna refresh, here is our robot. So now we're gonna try to open the shards, all the shards we have on our robot. Like we're gonna start with old chef, like this one. Open the shard. We're gonna go to USD chef, USD, like that. We're gonna go to old USD, like that. We're gonna go to Euro USD. Open USD CAD. If you don't find your pair here, you're gonna only go to symbol like USD CAD. We don't found it. USD CAD, and double click. You're gonna find it here. We have USD CAD. We have the gold too. But we have more Euro gold. We have already, when we have like yellow color is already added on our shot. GBPO, this one we added too. So we go, now we finish our work. Now already EURUSD here, EURUSD. Now we open, sorry, EURUSD, USD CAD. Okay, the gold. So for our robot, you can use it on all these pairs. He gonna manage everything. I gonna show you the parameter, gonna manage everything. So don't worry if you're gonna, because too many they ask me after they buy the robot, what if he open like too many trades and not following the risk management? No, the robot maximum he open on the same time 2 or 3 trade maximum, and we set like 1% risk per trade, so he gonna never open more than 2 trade or 3 trades, so don't be worried. Gold GPP gold, the last one. So like we know, our robot, he's working on M15, like 15-minute time frame. So we're gonna all these shards change it to 15 minute time frame and drop the robot, this robot, each one with the same pair shard. So here we're gonna do tile window to make it more easy. Like here we see all the shot, they're gonna more easy to drop our robot. So we're gonna start with old shape. Where is old shape? Dun, dun, dun. Here we're gonna drop the robot. The second thing here on the file we send you when you purchase the robot is the preset. They're gonna make everything easy. We give you all the parameters like you see here for a 10K account, for 200K account, and you can use also the like the broker. This is the for $500 account, and if you have more or less than this account, you can only change the lot size. Like if you find here lot size like 0.10 and you have account 200 for example, you can do 0.05 or something like that. So and if you need like high profit, you can use, and you use broker, you can take the scalping robot. You can check our video, we have a scalping robot that is better for personal account like broker. This one I recommended for founded account. It's tested on founded account, is working more better. So like here we have the parameter here when we added on the chart. So we're gonna load the parameters. We're gonna go here, preset, achieve. So our account is 100K, so we're gonna choose the 100K parameters and we accept. Don't forget to change the time frame to 15 minutes. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna change it for each one of these robots. So now we go to odd USD, on USD, here, and we're gonna do the same thing for all these pairs. So we're gonna upload like that. We go to like old USD and choose 100, and don't forget to allow algo trading for each one. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all the videos to don't make the video too much long, and I'm gonna start the video again. So now I added the robot on each chart, like you see here, odd shape, you see here 10G, odd shape, odd USD, odd USD, like each one with the same. So now our robot is not yet working because you see here the color of this one is gray. So that color need to be blue to be sure that the robot is working already. So you're gonna find this algo trading uh, red color, that mean the robot is not working. We're gonna push it and change it to the green color. You need to check each one of this robot is like a blue color like that. So that means our robot is working. So we're gonna only wait in the robot run the threads. So the parameter is risking is 1% from the capital. So for example now $100,000 is like $1,000 risking. So you can change your risk management, that's depend on you. So that is all for running your EI robot on the VPS. And thank you for watching the video and see you on the next video.